Right, today we will look second law of motion, clearly. So here we told clearly, if we not understand, we have doubts like that only. Very clearly, what is second law of motion? No more question after this. So listen carefully. Any doubts are there, you just call me on this number. 630116278 You can WhatsApp any doubts. My dear students, what I am planning today to teach you force and laws of motion. First law already I taught you. If you have any confusions, any doubts, you just question me. Learning is not through textbook. Learning is life, daily life activities is best example for all the people. My dear, so in our daily life, how we are applying first law, second law, third law of motions. You're supposed to look here very clearly. Momentum. What is momentum? Momentum is belongs to first law, which is under first law. Momentum and word there already I told you. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity of one object. Mass and velocity of one object. Mass into velocity. Look here, momentum. Momentum increases with increase of either mass or velocity of an object. Momentum increases with increase of either mass. First point. Increase of either mass or increase of velocity. With velocity also momentum increasing. With mass also momentum increasing. What is the momentum formula I told you? Momentum formula is that momentum P is equals to down and momentum P is equals to product of mass and velocity. Product of mass and velocity. If mass increasing, automatically momentum increasing. Velocity increasing, automatically momentum increasing. Directly I can tell you P momentum proportional to M or P momentum proportional to V. Look here. P proportional to M, P proportional to V. If velocity increase, moment increase. If mass increase, moment increase. How? I will tell you with examples. Vehicle running with high speed have greater momentum. Vehicle running with a high speed. For example, 10 kilometers per hour and 100 kilometers per hour. Momentum value. 100 kilometers per hour is there now, that is more momentum. 10 kilometers is a normal. One car is moving with 10 kilometers per hour and 100 kilometers per hour. First day 10 kilometers per hour. What is the momentum? 10 into what is the car mass? That is important. Car mass, for example, 1000 kilograms. 1000 into 10 is equals to 10,000. 10,000 momentum. Already I told you momentum P is equal to product of M into V. V velocity is 10 kilometers per hour first day. And what is the mass? 1000 kilograms. 1000 into 10 is equal to 10,000 kilograms meter per second. Momentum. Second day that car moved with car speed is 100 kilometers per hour. Now tell me 1000 kilograms into 100 velocity. 1000 into 100 is equal to 1 lakh kilogram meter per second. 10,000 is great or 1 lakh is great? So I am telling you, if mass increase, momentum will increase. If velocity increase, momentum will increase automatically. Compared to vehicle, it's running with a source of speed. Speed means velocity. Velocity, right? Next, third, small object moving with greater velocity. Small object have high momentum. You know, gun inside bullet there. Bullet is small, but speed is more. So momentum of bullet is more. Momentum of bullet is more. Look here, example, car speed. Already written here, car speed. Mass is 1000 kilograms, velocity is 50 meter per second. Increases. Look here, next, bullet of gun. Speed increase, momentum increase. Speed less, momentum is less. So already written for you, momentum P is equal to mv, P is equal to 1000 into 50 is equal to 50,000 kilograms meter per second. And second law, what is second law? Look here. It states that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied. Right or wrong? Right only. Second law states that the rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to the force applied in the direction of force. Which force applied in the direction of force. I am pushing. Somebody is pushing from my another side. Then my force will decrease. But somebody is encouraging me. I am already pushing. Already somebody again pushing. So direction of force. When I am applying in the force of direction another force, I am applying my force also in the direction of force, then automatically momentum will increase. Speed will change. Look here. So, car, mass is this, initial velocity is u, final velocity is v. Look here. What is that? So, force F proportional to rate of change of momentum. So, here, F is equals to, look here. Initial velocity, initial momentum. What is initial momentum? M into small u. And what is final momentum? M into v. Final velocity v. Initial velocity u. Initial momentum m into u. Final momentum m into v. So here, my dear, what is the second law? Force is directly proportional to mv minus mu by time. So here m is common, v minus u by t. Then v minus u by t, rate of change of velocity, is the formula for acceleration by time. So here ma, very clearly f proportional to ma. So f is equals to Kma, proportional constant, my dear. Kma, it is the constant of proportionality. Please remember. Right. Look here. After what's happening? Very clearly, already I told you up here. Look here. Mass 1 kg. Acceleration 1 meter per second square. Force 1 Newton. F is equal to Kma. K is constant. Constant means the speed constant or constant speed or constant values are there. Constants is nothing but one vehicle have a constant speed. More than that you can't go. Less than that you can go. 140 kilometers per hour, some vehicles maintaining. 180 kilometers per hour, some vehicles maintaining. 50 kilometers per hour, some vehicle maintaining. Constant value. For example, gravity value, man. Earth gravity is 9.8. Constant values, right? Look here, constant. F is equal to Kma. So F force 1, K 1 into 1. So here 1 is equal to K is equal to 1. Constant value is 1 always. So look here what's happening. Example, 15 newtons ball, 5 kg ball, 5 kg ball is there. I applied 15 newtons force on first ball, 10 newtons force on second ball. So what is which ball have more momentum? So 50 newtons when I applied, more force I applied, so more momentum will be there. More accelerate mean speed will be more. Yes or not? This is 10 newtons I applied slowly, so less accelerate. Here force is depending upon the acceleration. Force is proportional to acceleration. If force is more, then acceleration is more. Force is less, acceleration is less. Here force 10 kg bags is there, 20 kg bag is there. Two bags are there. I applied force upon 10 kg and upon 20 kg. Look here. So here applied force is less force I applied on 10 kg and more force I applied 20 kg. I want to apply both. I want to drag. So more force should apply on 20 kg. Less force should apply on 10 kg. Here, same 5 kg ball, 5 kg ball, 15 newtons, 10 newtons. What is the difference now mean? Look here. Force is inversely proportional to time. If force is less, time is more needed. If force is more, time is less needed. It is right or wrong? Look here. I applied 15 newtons, I applied 10 newtons. Which ball will reach? Which ball will reach point A to B? Speed. So 15 newtons force which ball got, that will go in 10 seconds. In 10 seconds time. 10 newtons means 50 seconds time take. Less force, more force. Very clear. So force is inversely proportional to time. Look here. What is that mean? Second law of motion in our daily life. Look here, cricket ball there. You know cricket ball very clearly. When you are coming ball like this, if you catch like this only directly, your hand will get injured. After catching, if you draw back, if you draw down, then the injury will not occur to our hand. Ball is speed. Okay, I can agree, but you should draw back. Second law work in our life. When you are jumping, high jump, not a wrong jump or long jump, high jump. When you are high jump doing, then you should supposed to jump from your legs. When you are jumping, you should use force upon your body to pick up speed. And falling time speed not made. Slowly you can. So in our daily life we will use second law of motion. For example, cricket ball catching time and high jumping time, our body should be in a proper way. Thank you. We will speak third law neatly next day.